In today's world, security gaps aren't just risks, they're operational threats. Every theft, every delay, every breakdown in protocol costs time, money, and trust. That's why leading logistics, warehousing, and transportation companies rely on Birdseye Security Solutions, the new standard in AI-driven live monitoring, operational enforcement, and facility protection. We don't just record what happens, we prevent it. Here's how. When a truck arrives, our AI-powered intelligent gate management system verifies credentials in real time. Trained agents authenticate the driver's ID, cross-check license plates, and match truck and trailer numbers, ensuring secure, documented entry every time. We confirm all paperwork, validate trailer load status, and check trailer seals for any signs of tampering. Every vehicle is carefully inspected for damages, with detailed notes recorded to maintain accountability and transparency. Arrival times, cargo status, and inspection notes are captured into a comprehensive digital report, ensuring real-time visibility for your operations team. Before activating live monitoring, we strategically position cameras, lighting, and loudspeakers to ensure full coverage of your facility. With our maximum telepresence approach, trained agents monitor your site 24/7, identifying suspicious activity in real time before it becomes a threat. If an incident occurs, we deter it immediately through voice-down communication and escalate to law enforcement when needed, all while documenting every step. Our team also uses advanced thermal cameras to detect smoke or fire risks early, ensuring faster emergency response and minimizing damage. We go beyond surveillance. Our team supervises your yard, enforcing safety gear protocols, monitoring speed limits, preventing unauthorized activities, and maintaining a clean, compliant environment. Tired of unexplained damage? With 24/7 monitoring, we eliminate the guesswork, capturing definitive footage of when and how incidents occur. Need remote access control? Our agents manage key systems securely, verifying staff identity and guiding them through access points without delays. We also monitor critical facility systems, from gate control software to yard management dashboards, ensuring seamless, uninterrupted operations. Every employee entrance is safeguarded with ID verification, personal item checks, and metal detection, keeping your workforce safe and compliant. Secure your facility. Streamline your operations. Partner with Birdseye Security Solutions today. Visit birdeyesecurity.com to get started.